We are going to learn about what are the difference between slice and splice. So this method is used to get a new array by selecting a subarray of given array, and then this method is used for add and remove an item from a given array. So here we can say it is a slice and it is a slice. And these are the syntax, like dot slice. So it will take two parameters, like this is the start index and this is the end index. In the case of splice, here is we can see that it will take parameters like I and item 1, and like this item, multiple item it may take. And then the parameter is indicates the starting index, we can see here, and it ending by ending index. Like here, by using this example, we can see that like here we have array like 1 2 3 4, and when we provide like let this1 is equal to arr dot slide, like when we are passing starting index like 0 and ending index 2, so it will take the it will store the result like 0 1 2. So in this res1 it will store the result like 1 and 2, like this 1 2 and 3, like this. And in this slice, I denote the starting index like this slice method, whereas here n denotes the number of items to be removed from specific index, and then item 1 to 2, these are the new elements which will get added to the given index. The changes reflect in the original array. In the case of this slice method, the changes may get and changes reflect in original array, and in the case of slice, the changes do not reflect in original array, like this. And the result has to assign to a new array variable, so it will create a new array of this res1, and it exactly takes two parameters. It takes multiple parameters because it adds multiple elements. Result need not be assigned to any another variable. There is no need to assign it to any another variable. It changes the original array. Then takes n number of arguments and list of number of can be supplied. So it may take multiple number of elements. The return value is need array with the value in the selector of subarray of a given array. So it returns the subarray of original array. The value in range start to, then the return value is new array with the value in the selected subarray of a given array. So it always returns subarray of original array. The value in the range start to end -1 will be selected. So here we can see that the value will be selected end -1. So 0 1 2. So it will not include this 3. It will include only 1 and 2 here. And then the return value is array containing the deleted element. So like this, there is the difference between slice and splice. So we can see by using this splice method, like we can see that here we have arr like 1 2 3 4 5. Then you can see that res1 we are going to perform like arr dot splice. So we are going to delete this 1 and 2. So for this, we have to put the starting index first of all. So we have to delete these two elements. So I will put here 0. From this 0 index, I want to delete these two elements. So I will put here 2, and then after 3 4 5, I want to add a 6 and 7. So I will put here. So our original array will get reinitialized, like it will delete these two elements from this 0 index to 0 1 and 2, and it will give result as 3 4 5, and it will embed this elements 6 and 7. Like this is the difference between these two methods. the constructor function in JavaScript. A JavaScript constructor function is used to create a new function and using the function constructor with a new operator. So we can create a constructor function by using this constructor keyword. A JavaScript constructor creates a function that has a global scope. Like this is the syntax, like where variable is equal to new function, like this we can create. Here arg is a optional parameter, and then function body, it is an argument that contains the JavaScript statement containing a function definition. Then what is the use of promise? So what is promise? A promise is basically an object represents the eventual completion or a failure of a synchronous operation and its a resulting value. So why we use promise? So promises are used to handle asynchronous operation in JavaScript. The main use of promises for handling the asynchronous operation in JavaScript. It performs operation inside the callback function, and if everything went well, then call resolve. So it performs operations inside callback function, and it takes two parameters like resolve and reject. It may be get resolve or rejected. If desired operation do not go well, then call reject, and promise can with the promises can improve performance. So that's all for today.